Welcome to the Tesla Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is September 10th, 2024, and we've got some intriguing updates from the world of Tesla and self-driving technology. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Tesla has made a significant update to its full self-driving package, now offering only the full self-driving supervised option for purchase. This change marks the removal of the previous full self-driving capability option, which had promised continuous improvement and eventual full autonomy. The new terminology indicates that future users will need to supervise their vehicles while using FSD features, a shift from the earlier vision of complete autonomy. The revised text for the activation and use of FSD features now highlights the necessity for regulatory approval and further development, omitting previous mentions of the extensive reliability backed by billions of miles of experience. This adjustment seems to be a legal strategy to avoid making promises that may not be fulfilled. This update comes just ahead of Tesla's much-anticipated Robotaxi event, sparking questions about the future trajectory of FSD offerings. Current customers who purchase the earlier FSD package might be left wondering about their status under this new supervised label. There's speculation that Tesla might introduce a full self-driving, unsupervised package aimed at commercial or robotaxi use in the future. Overall, this change indicates a more cautious stance from Tesla concerning its self-driving technology, as the company navigates the complex landscape of regulatory hurdles and customer expectations. That's all for today's episode of the Tesla Daily News. We hope you found these updates insightful. Remember to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Join us next time for more news and insights from the world of Tesla and technology. Until then, drive safely and stay curious.